much is Bongane getting?
Bongane will receive 3,000 rand.
Okay.
As part of
3,000
price,
rand.
yes.
Wow. In the middle of July. I'm jealous. And the second position, which is like, it's the winner is from Gauteng. It's Didintle Moatshe. And how much is Didintle getting?
Didintle will receive 4,000 rand.
Woo! Wow. Woo, woo. And our number one? Our number one is Masenya Mashego from Limpopo. Hello, Limpopo. Hello, Gauteng. Hello, KZN. You're getting so much money.
I'm jealous.
Masenya will receive 6,000 rand.
6,000 rand.
And the presenter?
But
just checking.
Yeah, but I know we also had people that voted. And they're getting...
Yes, they will receive 1,500 rand. The 4th, 5th and 6th positions.
Just for voting?
No,
just
the
for voting.
Yeah, no, the lucky voter, Nakedi.
How many are they? We're having 4 people.
This is position 4 to 4.
So which 6. Is Nkosiyabo, Dlikilili from Fishhook. Wow, 1.5 is coming away, and then we have also Xoliswa, Mngqibisa, and then from Gauteng again, Nakedi Matshaka is also getting 1.5, and then we have Abusiwe Mahamba from Port Elizabeth. I'm so excited because we almost nearly covered all the provinces. We are a national station.
Great stuff, ladies. Thank you so much, and this is what happens on the show. Yay! Guys, you must come share whatever you've been given. Don't tell my station manager. Just give me the brown envelope. Ne? Be fired. It's time for news.